to mix coconut oil and castor oil for hair growth. Mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, in the liquid form, in a bowl and apply gently to dry hair. Massage your scalp well for at least 5 minutes. Spread the oil mix thoroughly into your hair and put on a shower cap. Keep the hair mask on for at least 2 hours before washing it off. You may also leave it on overnight. Follow this treatment twice a week for 2 to 3 months to regain hair at a faster pace. How coconut oil and castor oil mix helps in hair growth. Coconut oil contains both medium and long-chain fatty acids that strengthen hair and help prevent hair damage. The oil penetrates the hair cuticles and hair cortex, providing deep nourishment to the hair strands. It safeguards against the damaging effects of chemical hair treatments. Coconut oil also reduces protein loss from chemically treated and untreated hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.